I'm back at the vehicle here. I'm gonna have my sandwich and drink my pop while I wait. We got a raven here visiting us. Looking for handouts or something? Not getting any from me, boy. Okay, there we go. No, you're not getting anything from me. No, the sandwich for me. Nope, he's not getting anything. No, he's determined. He's not getting anything. Not a thing. One more sandwich to go. The raven has left, and I did not give him anything. Yeah, and that's what he left on the hood for me. Gosh. That was his vengeance. Then I'm finished with the sandwiches now, so. Skyline Arch, 0.2 miles. The short one, so we decided to stop there and go take a look at this one. Wow. Oh, my shadow's kinda. Anyways, it says arches usually form slowly, but quick and dramatic changes do occur. 1940, a large boulder suddenly fell out of Skyline Arch, roughly doubling the size of the opening. Wow. Cool. All right, wow. So I kind of move over here. Get out of the shadow. There. See, there's the big boulder piece there. That's after. So before and after. It's right up there. We're going to take a closer look at it. It's 55 degrees right now. I'm just in my t-shirt now. Doing this walk. A little mucky here. Okay, we can go further. I see people up there. Should we go further, or do you think this is close enough?
I think this will do.
Yeah. There it is, Skyline Arch. In 1940, a big boulder that was on this side basically, well, it fell out and basically doubled the size of it. Cool. That's what it looks like around here, kind of a little mucky. One last look at Skyline Arch. Decided to pull into Salt Valley Overlook. Wow. No, that would be Salt Valley right before us there. Wow. Hmm. Yeah, I see the road down there. We're gonna be driving down that. Impassable when wet. Okay, we'll go take a look at the delicate arch viewpoints up here. There's an upper viewpoint and a lower, so we're doing the lower for sure. The upper has a little walk to it, but we'll see. We might walk up to it. Okay, here's the sign. You are here. Go up to the lower viewpoint. It looks like the trail is closed for the upper viewpoint. Yes, won't be going up there. So this is the one I go to. That one won't be happening on this trip. See, trail closed. They must be doing some work over there. Like they're doing some construction or something kind of work when we drove in by the parking lot. So working over there too, apparently. Delicate arch, there it is. Okay. Okay, so there's the picture. Let's take a look at the real thing. There it is up there. That's how far away it is. And came down a little ways. Look at it one more time from this angle. Yep. It's kind of a long hike up there from the other parking area. I don't think we're going to do that today. We're not. This place is called Panoramic Viewpoint. Cool, we have an amphitheater here too, even. Benches. Here's overlooking the Salt Valley again. From the other side now. Oh, there's the... Just want to look at that. Man, look. Hmm. Hmm. Wow. This is Garden of Eden Viewpoint. Go this way. Wow. It goes layered. Gosh. Cool. Wow. See, I got see, I can flip. See if I can get let go. Yeah, it does look nice. Which looks the best there. Yes, like that, I think. Need to see if I can get some kind of a thumbnail, maybe. Get further away, maybe. Or Arches National Park. I kind of think I'm going to be having more than one video for Arches National Park. I'm not going to put everything all in one video, so this will be for one of the videos. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Ooh, the sun right behind my head. Nice. There we go. Almost all the way around here. Okay, that's Garden of Eden viewpoint. We head back down to the vehicle now. Right down there. Step down here. There we go. All right, heading down.